Here is the most important idea behind AI video generation. It helps you create videos by describing what you want instead of filming everything yourself. You simply give the AI a prompt. For example, you might type, "Create a short video of a robot teacher explaining Excel formulas in a modern classroom." Then the AI takes your description and turns it into a video scene. It can create the background, characters, movement, camera angles, and sometimes even voice, music, and captions. This is different from traditional video creation, where you usually need a camera, actors, lighting, footage, editing software, animation skills, and a lot of production time. With AI video generation, you can start with an idea and quickly get a visual draft. Then you can improve it by giving the AI more instructions in normal language. For example, you might say, make it more realistic, add a close-up shot, use a friendly educational style, or make it vertical for YouTube Shorts. The AI does not film the video like a camera would. Instead, it generates the video by predicting what the scene should look like, how objects should move, and how the story should appear visually. So the simple way to think about it is this: you are not starting with a camera. You are telling AI, here is the scene I imagine. Turn it into a video I can watch, edit, and share.
Thanks for watching. I truly hope this video helped explain the concept clearly. If you still have questions though, or if you have suggestions on how this could be explained even better, please leave them in comments. Consider subscribing to online training for everyone and joining a community of people who want to better understand how things work, build useful skills, and keep getting smarter. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like and share it. It helps YouTube show the video to other people who may need to learn the same thing. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.